everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to clear all your doubts regarding how to travel with pet in a flight. Trust me guys, it was not that easy for me also to travel with my pet for the first time. Even I have watched so many videos on YouTube, but even though after watching so many videos, many of my questions were not answered properly. So that is the reason why I'm creating this video, so that all the questions related to how to travel with your pet, the tips and the insights, uh, I'm going to clarify here. So please watch this video till the end. Make sure to subscribe. So the most common question would be how to buy a ticket for your pet. So to answer this, we need to buy ticket for ourselves first. For your pet, we need to pay based on the weight at the check-in counter. Airline consider your pet as an excess baggage. So whatever the excess baggage amount would be, that you have to pay based on your pet weight, including the crate. So when I was traveling, it was per kilo 600 it was. So that amount you need to pay at the check-in. Second thing, if your pet is more than 5 kilos, then he or she will be going into the live cargo section, where oxygen supply will be assured and guaranteed. If your pet luckily is less than 5 kilos or very small to carry, then you can accompany your pet in the cabin itself. If your pet is more than 3 months old, it has to be vaccinated properly, and you need to carry a fit to fly certificate to the airport. Make sure you take 2 copies of it, because if you're traveling to any place, maybe you would also plan to come back also. So make sure you take 2 copies of it. Carry the original vaccination history certificates, all the records, and the fit to fly health certificate also from your vet. I'll show you how it looks. So this is my pet's health certificate. So you need to carry the similar certificate from your vet. Make sure it was signed also and sealed also. On the day of your travel, make sure you reach the airport at the earliest. The reason why you need to reach the airport at the earliest, minimum to 4 hours, is if any other passenger who is traveling with a cat or bird has checked in before you, then your puppy or dog will not be permitted to travel by the authorities. So that is the reason, make sure you reach the airport earlier, and make sure you will be the first person to check in with your pet, just to avoid this problem. Prepare your pet for the travel. Make sure you give a basic training, crate training to your pet. If he is not willing to go back again to the crate in the airport, then it should not be a problem for you. So make sure you give a basic crate training to him, and muzzle him properly. You need to buy a good muzzle. Just muzzle him, just for the sake of authorities. You need to muzzle the pet, even if you don't like it. Even I don't like to muzzle my pet, but I had to do it. Buy a good leash him properly. Make sure the crate is big enough so that he can at least turn around inside the crate. It's not so much suffocating to your pet. It should be a little free to him. Make sure it is having a proper space so that he can sit and stand and turn around. Buy a moisture sheet. Spread the moisture sheet in the crate. Top on that, you can layer with your pet's favorite towel, so that it will be a familiar environment to your pet. He'll feel at least a minimum comfort. Give some toys also inside the crate, so that can help at least to calm your pet. He'll not be so much panicked in the airport in that way. This is what happens at the day of your travel. You need to go to the check-in counter, pay the amount based on your pet's weight. You will be provided with a form. You need to fill the form with your signature, along with your name, mobile number and address, pet's name. So till the time captain approves your pet to travel, you will be waiting at the boarding counter. You won't be allowed to go to the security check till the captain approvals. Once you get the captain approvals, most of the cases you get the approval before 15 minutes to the boarding time. the airport authorities will take your pet for the security check, and they'll help you to get your security check quicker, because you only left with few minutes to board. So they'll accompany with you, make sure the process is quicker, at least for you and your pet. So authorities will take your pet from there. They will scan the pet along with the crate. The pet will be inside the crate, sealed and locked. So as the journey completed at the destination location, airport authorities will hand it over your pet to you safely, probably in a lift. They will carry your pet to you. From there you can unmuzzle him, take him out of the crate, and you give him a good kisses, good rubs, and say he did a good job, and give him lots of hugs. So that's how you can travel with your pet. If you have any more questions, make sure you comment below. I'll really try to answer all of your questions. If you have any doubts, just comment below. If you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, support me, and subscribe, share with your friends who really need this information. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.